Allow me to introduce to you Heimdall, building innovative solutions to combat the increasing severity of wildfires. Last week, huge wildfires have raged through New Zealand, causing enormous damages and putting many lives at risk. We have identified 3 use cases of surrounding forest fires. We believe that first you have to map the risks, find out which areas have the highest risk of catching fire. Next, when you find these high risk areas, you gotta monitor, you gotta find a way to stop fires from happening and prevent them from spreading. And finally, when there is actually a wildfire, you have to be able to track it so that you don't put unnecessary risk on firefighters and people in the area. We're going to focus on the fire tracking, and we're going to co-create a solution together with the actual users, the firefighters. We're going to do this by means of experiments.
In this experiment, we will give the firefighters a map of a forested area previously unknown to them. Then, hidden from them, we will drop a pin, indicating the exact location of the fire. This location will remain unknown to them. Next, we will draw a circle, indicating in which area the fire might be found. And we also give them a brief 112 report of the actual fire sighting. Next, some of the firefighters will be given access to their normal equipment and systems. And some firefighters are going to be given access to a hypothetical fire tracking solution that we hope to design. Then we will evaluate how fast they will be able to find the fire and how effectively they do this. In this way, we hope to be able to evaluate the actual value of our fire tracking solution. Firefighters are the most important enablers of our MVP, as they will help develop and use our solution. Representatives are the key individuals to sell our solution to. They are the voice of the general public. Policymakers want to have the best value given their resources. They must believe in our innovative capabilities for our solution to gain traction.
So do you feel that this solution speaks to you and you can actually actively participate in helping us create this? Go to our website and fill in a survey, and if you would really like to get involved, participate in one of our experiments. Thank you.